In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to appeal a ban on Reddit. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to this website support.reddithelp.com. Once the page loads, select Reddit or Help to access support options for regular users. Now scroll down the page until you see Get in Touch. Click on that. Then select Submit a Request. Under the category drop-down, choose Community Help. You'll now see a form where you can submit your ban appeal. Here's what you need to fill out. What do you need assistance with? Your email address, community concern, subject of the inquiry, details explaining your situation. You can also attach screenshot or files if they help support your appeal. When writing your appeal, make sure you are polite, clear, and respectful. It increases your chances of getting the ban reviewed. Once everything is filled out, go ahead and click submit. Your request will be sent to Reddit support team for review. And that's it. That's how you appeal a ban on Reddit. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.